Hello and welcome to another video from Hot Tech Tips, hottechtips.com. If you like the videos, I encourage you to subscribe. We're going to be putting lots and lots of videos this year, 2016. So today we're going to look at a graphic function. We're going to plot a sine wave using a scatter graph. So let's just jump right into that. The first thing we're going to do is define our data points from 0 to 360. And we'll go 15 degrees at a time. Now we had shown before that if you highlight two numbers and they have a certain distance or values between them, this one's 0 to 15, that if you use this little square in the bottom right called the fill handle and drag this down, it will copy at that same increment. So there's 45, 60, 75, and we'll go all the way down to 360. And it kind of gives us the indication where to stop on the right hand side. So there's our data points from 0 to 360. And then what we want to do is say what is the sine of each of these data points. Now we had talked about in a separate video that whenever you use sine, cosine, or tangent, Excel wants the variable to be in radians. So we'll also have to convert our degree of 0, 15, 30 into radians in order to use the sine function. So we'll build our first formula here, equals sine, open parentheses, the radians of this point, and then close this. So what this is saying is give me the radians of whatever the degree is in A4, and then once you have the radians, input that into the sine function. So we'll hit enter, and the first one is 0. Now using the fill handle, we can copy that down, and you see how the cell reference updated from A4 right here to A5, and this is called relative cell addressing. So if I copy it down again, it's going to update the cell reference. So now we can just copy this all the way down to 360 and get all of our sine values for these angles. So now let's go ahead and plot this. It's very simple. We're going to highlight all of this and then go to, on the menu bar, insert, and then we want to look in the chart area here. So the chart that we want to use, you can see here, is column charts, bar charts, radar charts, line charts, area charts, and things. So the one we want to use is this one here called a scatter chart, and it will take XY coordinates. I'm going to click on the little down arrow, and it will give us a preview. There's a preview of a scatter chart with just the dots, the one with smooth lines and the markers for each data point, or just a smooth line. So we'll choose this one here. And there we have our sine wave that is charted out and graphed for us. It's very easy, very simple. Sure to impress your instructor. And if you want to change your graph chart label, just click there and then say sine wave graph. There you have it. Simple and easy. So thanks for taking the time to watch Hot Tech Tips. Subscribe, comment below. Many more videos are coming in 2016. Thanks for watching.